Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza here. Today is January the 27th, 2026, around 10 a.m. My location is Corinith, Texas, around 38 miles from Dallas, Texas. The temperatures are 33 degrees with 5 miles per hour winds. Today's the sixth day of the winter storm in January of 2026. It's mostly sunny, and the weather channel says it's very cold. To me, it didn't feel cold. Uh, I flew my drone over I-35 going north and south. There was very light traffic. Enjoy my video.